Good morning friends. In this lecture we are going to solve sum number 7, 8, 9 and 10 of third sum of retirement of a partner. Okay, so let's have a look of sum number 7. P, Q, R and S are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 4:3:2:1. Q retires and his share of profit is gained equally by R and S. So friends, here we are given with the information that P, Q, R, S four partners are there. Their ratio is 4:3:2:1, and out of these four, Q retires, and his share is gained by R and S. That is R and S in equally. That is in equal ratio. So here this sum gives us information that one out of four partners, one partner is retiring and his share is taken by two partners equally. That means the remaining one partner is not gaining anything. He is not going to get anything from the share of retiring partner. So P will continue with his original share and R and S will be getting their share plus half share of Q. Right? Equally they are going to distribute. So first of all we will find the gain of R and S. Gain share of R equals to, how much is the share of Q? 3/10. Out of 3/10, how much R is going to get? 1/2. 1:1 is the ratio. So 3/10 into 1/2. 3/20 will be the gain share of R. How to find that? The share of retiring partner into R gain share based on gain ratio. Gain share 1/2 based on gain ratio. Okay. Then gain of S, 3/10 is the share of Q who is retiring, and gain share based on gain ratio is 1/2 of S. So 3/10 into 1/2, 3/20. So gain share of R 3/20 and gain share of S 3/20. Now we will find new share. New share equals to old share plus gain share. P old share was 4/10. He is going to get nothing from Q share, which means gain is 0. So he is going to have same share, that is 4/7. R 2/10 was old share, and 3/20 is his gain share. We will add both. 20 will be LCM. 10 to the 20, 2 to the 4 plus 3, 7. The same way as old share was 10, gain share is 20, old share was 1/10, gain share is 3/20, 20 will be LCM, 10 to the 20, 2 1 the 2 and 20 1 the 20, 1 3 the 3. So 5/20. So finally the new share for all three will be 4/10, 7/20 and 5/20. In order to get ratio we need to make denominator equal. So here it is new share 4/10, 7/20, 5/20. We will try to make denominator equal. Here the 20 is the LCM. So 4/10 will be 8/20. We will multiply with 2. 7/20 as it is and 5/20 as it is. Now denominators are equal. We can take the ratio 8:7:5. So this is the new ratio, and gain ratio is itself given in the sum. With the help of that we could calculate all that. With gain ratio is given already equal 1:1, but between R and S. So here Q is retiring, P is not going to get anything from his share, and R and S is going to get gain in 1:1. Okay, let's talk about sum number 8. Chalo. Sum number 8. M and O and P are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 5:3:2:2. N and P retire. N share is acquired by O and P share is acquired by M. So here in this sum 4 partners are there, and out of 4, 2 are retiring. Right? Here it is M and OP. Their ratio is 5:3:2:2. Right? P is retiring, his share is taken by M, and N is retiring, his share is taken by O. So very simple to calculate. New share of M. M's old share is already 5 by 12. 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2, 12. So 5 by 12 plus how much he is going to get? He is going to get share of P. So P's share is 2 by 12. 5 by 12 plus 2 by 12 is 7 by 12. New share of O. O's old share is 2 by 12 and he is going to get share of N. So which is 3 by 12. 2 by 12 plus 3 by 12, 5 by 12. Very simple. So new ratio will be, we will remove the denominator 7 is to 5 between M and O. If we talk about gain ratio, M and O, gain share is 2 by 12 for M and 3 by 12 for O. Remove the denominator, gain ratio will be 2 is to 3. So this is how we calculate the answer of sum number 8. Gain ratio as well as new ratio. Let's move to sum number 9. Chalo. A, B and C are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 1 by 2, 30% and 1 by 5 respectively. B share is taken over by 1 and A and C in the ratio of 3 is to 2. Here we are given with the information about old share and as well as gain ratio. A, B, C are partners. Their old share is given like 1 by 2, 30% and 1 by 5. So first of all we will change the form this 30%. 1 by 2, 30% will be 3 by 100 and 1 by 5. Now 1 by 2, 30 upon 100 that is 3 upon 10 and 1 by 5. Now let's make the denominator equal. 10 will be the LCM. So here 5 we will multiply it because we want 10 in the denominator. So 5 upon 10, 3 upon 10 and here 5 is we want 10 so we will multiply with 2. So now the share are 5 by 10, 3 by 10 and 2 by 10, that is the ratio 5 is to 3 is to 2. Now it is given that B retires and his share is taken by A and C in 3 is to 2 proportion. In the proportion of 3 is to 2. That means the gain ratio of A and C is how much? 3 is to 2. Let us find the gain share of all two. Gain share of A. Share of retiring partner. Who is retiring partner? B. B share is 3 by 10. So 3 by 10 into his gain share. Gain share based on gain ratio 3 by 5. So 3 into 3 9. 10 by the 50. 9 by 50 gain share of A. The same way gain share of C. 3 by 10 is the share of retiring partner and 2 by 5 is his share based on gain ratio 6. So 2 by 5, 3 to the 6 and 10 by the 50. 6 by 50 is the gain share of C. Let us find out new share. New share equals to old share plus gain share. Old share of A is 5 by 10. His gain share is 9 by 50. 50 will be LCM. 10 by the 50, 5 by the 25. 51 the 50, 1 9 the 9. So 25 plus 9, 34 upon 50. In case of C, 2 upon 10 is the old share. And gain share is 6 upon 50. 50 will be LCM. 10 by the 50, 5 to the 10 and 6 1 the 10. 550 1 the 50, 1 6 the 6. So 10 plus 6 16 upon 50. New share will be the eliminating denominator 34 is to 16. We will make it short. We will divide it by 2. So 17 is to 8. So 17 is to 8 is the new ratio of whom? A and C, and gain ratio of A and C is already given, which is 3 is to 2. So this is all about sum number 9. Now sum number 10. A, B and C are partners sharing profit and loss in the proportion of 5 is to 3 is to 2. B and C sharing profit in the ratio of 40% and 60% after retirement of A. In this sum, they have given us old ratio as well as new ratio. Okay, so old, they said about old ratio that it is 5 to 3 is to 2 between among three partners A, B and C. Now they are saying that after retirement of A, B and C is going to distribute their profit in 40% and 60%. 40% and 60%, that is 40 is to 60. That is what we will divide this by 20. 2 is to 3. So 2 is to 3 is the new ratio and 5 3 2 is the old ratio. We very well know now how to find gain share. Gain share is what? New share minus old share. So So B new share is 2 by 5 and his old share was 3 by 10. So 2 by 5 minus 3 by 10, 10 will be LCM, 5 to the 10, 2 to the 4 minus 3. So 1 by 10. Let's find C of C. C old share, new share is 3 by 5, old share was 2 by 10. So 3 by 5 minus 2 by 10, 10 will be the LCM, 5 to the 10, 2 3 is the 6 and 10 will be the 10, 1 2 the 2, 4 upon 10. So finally the gain share of B 1 by 10 and the gain share of C 4 by 10. Gain share 1 by 10, 4 by 10. So gain ratio eliminating denominator 1 is to 4 and new ratio is already given to us. It is 2 is to 3 between B and C. So this is all about sum number 10. In next lecture we will be doing, this was all about sum number 10. Next lecture we will be doing sum number 11, 12 and 13. Okay, thank you.